This recording is just for a few, it looks like random bits of videos, but what I did, I had a bicep and shoulder workout. So those actually work pretty well synergistically. It's kind of like back and chest. They seem to really help each other. They warm each other up. Or if like you're doing arm day, tricep, then bicep. Anyways, so it starts with the preacher bicep curl, the machine. You can see there's like some definition coming through. I at least I can tell. Probably no one else can, but like I have fat between like my bicep itself and like the forearm where the brachialis, like right between there. I can see that fat, and before it was just like a giant cylinder, so that's kind of good news. But yeah, I'm just showing you biceps, and kind of it's a basic form, a basic workout, but just underrated because it really does work well for a finisher or starter. And then you have shoulder lateral press. This was an emptier time at the gym, so I just used a Smith machine, and I did some lateral shoulder raises, as you can see there. And I tried to control the eccentric movement on the way down, and then hold it up for like a second. And then you have bicep curls, and a kind of similar thing there, slowing it down as best you can. But those ones, dumbbells, you'll always feel it really well. And then you actually can start to see a little bicep vein on the right arm there. My little squiggly that's normally pretty strong and prominent. My left one's, I have more fat there, and so it takes a while before I get that vein there. And then you have the chest fly. This is from a chest workout we did. And there I'm just trying to show correct form. The chest pec deck is really, really good for finishing the movement, maybe even warm up, but you don't want to super fatigue the muscle. But as you can see there, I make sure to go super slow in and out. Chest is up, back is straight, so my titties are kind of pointing up and out, and then my biceps kind of meet together as best they can. They don't really move, nothing moves but my chest, and you can really feel the entire chest work here, but the upper portion, you can kind of see it flexing there. I'm hovering around 231 and 230 right now, and it's now July 8th, so 8 days into July, hovering around the same, and hopefully should be down by 225 in the next, like I said, week or two. And just wanted to do a quick, update on how I am. I'm feeling. I'm pretty positive with life right now. We found a little bunny lost in the streets. We kind of groomed him up, and because he had a whole bunch of knots in his face and stuff. So this is just kind of random, but yeah. So we now have a little bunny, and his name is Sir Cornelius Cornwallis the Lionhead Lionheart. Okay, we're working on the name, but it's something like that, right? It's Sir Cornelius Cornwallis because he had mutton chops. They were all knotted up when we found him, and he had goopy eyes. But yeah, and we also have my little Maltese Pomeranian. It's like a little 9-pound white fluff ball. But yeah, they love each other. He was at first like pretty kind of like unsure of it, like almost like spooked of it. But then he just decided to be a big brother in a sense, and just always has to hover around it. And yeah, it's kind of neat. So they get along. So yeah, that's been the newest thing on my side here, and it's weight loss and everything as far as like what I'm doing is going pretty well. So it's exciting.
He's the best. I love it. Go away. Read some books.